Okay, children, now we are going to see about the fourth social Tamils around the world. We have already learned this lesson in the last class. Now we are going to see the book exercise. This also we have seen. So I'll go through this once again. Choose the correct answer. One of the official languages of Sri Lanka is, they are given Mandarin, Hindi, Tamil and Sanskrit. So Tamil is the answer. One of the official language of Sri Lanka is Tamil. And modern Singapore was founded in 1819, 1820, 1947 and 1835. Answer is 1819. In ancient times, Kedah state in Malaysia connected with dash of Tamil Nadu by sea route. Visakhapattinam, Nagapattinam, Madurai, Chennai. Answer is Nagapattinam. Principal religion of Myanmar is Hinduism, Jainism, Buddhism and Sikhism. Answer is Buddhism. In the year dash, British captured Mauritius. 1810, 1820, 1910, 1920. So the answer is 1810. Now match the following also have written. Ananda Temple. Answer is Myanmar. Lieutenant Governor. So you have to say Lieutenant Governor Sir Thomas Stamford Raffles. Tirukkurali, Ratujoni. Postal Museum, Mauritius. Ancient Port, Nagapattinam. Now, these two things we have already written. Now we are going to write the true or false and question answer. So first we are going to write true or false. So note down this in your notebook, children. So already we have started the third term. So first one, Pallavas and Cholas influenced Malaysia. Yes, that is true. This is true. And then second one, Fiji is a group of volcanic island. Fiji is a group of volcanic island in the South Pacific. That is true. King Jacinta, K is silent here. Jacinta is the son of King Anavarandam Shah. True. Then fourth one, the Reunion Island. The Reunion Island is a part of the French Overseas Department. That is true. That is true. And then the fifth one, Tamils are living only in Tamil Nadu. Tamils are living only in Tamil Nadu. That is false. Okay, so first one is Pallava and Chola influenced Malaysia. True. Fiji is a group of volcanic islands in the South Pacific. True. King Jacinta is the son of King Anavradha Minsha. True. Once again, King Jacinta. Jacinta is the son of King Anavradha Minsha. True. The Reunion Island is a part of the French Overseas Department. True. Tamils are living only in Tamil Nadu. That is false. Okay. Now we are going to say the answer the following. Answer the following questions. One by one we will see. First one, describe the past relations. Past relations between Tamil Nadu and Malaysia. So point by point we have to write. We are having a relations between the Tamil Nadu and Malaysia from the past. So how we have to describe these points. And Malaysia. So in the two countries ku eppadi vandu relations. How many years are so that we'll see the point one by one. Answer is first point. The relations between Tamil Nadu and Malaysia existed more than 2000 years. Okay, so 2000 years we have got the relations between Tamil Nadu and Malaysia, and Tamil ships reached the modern Malaysia. State of Kedah. State of Kedah, that is now known as the Kadaramkonda. Kadaram in Tamil. Okay. Third point, Tamils influenced. Tamils influenced. So this is such a big one. The cultural and political nature of Malaysia at the time of Pallava and Cholas. Pallava and Cholas. And then the last point, the Chinese traveler I Ching records that there was regular transport from Nagapattinam to Kedah. Okay. So describe the past relations between Tamil Nadu and Malaysia. The relations between Tamil Nadu and Malaysia existed for more than 2000 years. This is the first point. And Tamil ships reached the modern Malaysia, the state of Kedah, that is Kadaram in Tamil. And then Tamils influenced the cultural and political nature of Malaysia at the time of Pallava and Cholas. And the last point is the Chinese traveler I Ching records that there was a regular transport from Nagapattinam to Kedah. So this is the first question answer. Now we'll move on to the next one. Second one is write a note on Reunion Island. Write a note on Reunion. So first point, Reunion is an island located in the Indian Ocean near Mauritius. It is a part of French overseas department. Okay. Then the next point, Tamils were more than 1/4 of the total population of this island. Okay, so write a note on Reunion Island. Reunion is an island located in the Indian Ocean near Mauritius, and it is a part of the French overseas department. And Tamils are more than 1/4 of the total population of this island. Next question is name the countries in which the Tamils are one of the official language. Name the countries in which Tamil is one of the official language. So what are the countries you have to write? So the answer is Tamil is an official language. In 3 countries, namely India, Singapore, and Malaysia. So these are the 3 countries in which Tamil is an official language. So 3 questions you have written. So learn this and copy down in your classwork, and we'll write the next 2 more questions in the next class. Thank you.